That is the age-old question. Pictures, no direction. Now that I've rubbed the top 5 layers of skin off my hands, I'd have no idea because I didn't follow the directions. Good morning, y'all, and welcome to today's video. Pretty excited. Filming kind of my first video inside my new shop. You see, I got my Harley Davidson t-shirt collection up all around all of the walls. I believe it is the world's largest Harley Davidson t-shirt collection, and I'm looking for ways to auction it off for charity, for our veterans. I'm gonna pick a veterans charity and come up with a way. So if you got an idea how I can auction those off, let me know down in the comments below. In today's video, we are going to be putting together one of the first, look at, there it is, right there. This is a big moment for our shop. We got this new shop, we're feeling blessed. I gotta thank all of you out there who have supported us with our stubborn gear. For example, these signature sunglasses have been selling like hotcakes. Look at that. I'm doing the thing, Freddy. So they just magnetize to metal. They're perfect for shops, workplaces, tank on your motorcycle when you're filling up your gas. They've been just a huge hit. You can get them at my website, adamsandoval.com. Patented magnetic sunglasses. Just came up with it one day on the road. It's been a great thing for me. Thanks to that, my sponsors, all of you, I've got a new motorcycle shop. They're not all in here right now, but I do have the Indian, which I've got a very special story on. I'm gonna tell you all about later. Harley Davidson Softail, BMW, Harley Davidson Fat Boy, a bunch of mini bikes. I don't know how many bikes I can fit in here. Hopefully it's a bunch. But today we're putting together this little bad boy right here. The new addition to the shop. And of course, y'all, my boy Freddy.
Look, I'm walking again.
Freddy is walking again.
Yeah, a little dancing.
Oh, a dance.
Yeah.
He's even giving us dancing. Freddy, if y'all have not seen, did the tat with me off-road, actually on that BMW, and broke his leg. We had to like rescue him out. If you guys want to check out that video, we'll put a link right up here. But Freddy came back to the River today to hang out. We're gonna put together an Amazon purchased motorcycle lift. We'll find out if that stuff you get off Amazon is any good.
I'm always torn if I should get an Amazon one or something from like Harbor Freight or whatever.
Right? Let's open this bad boy up.
Yeah.
Let's take the first peek. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Packed well.
Yeah, it is.
It's like a coffin, huh, Freddy?
Yeah.
You think you could fit in there?
No.
Oh, we even went with the black and orange. So this is what it's supposed to look like when it's done. We'll see if that actually plays out that way.
Right?
Yeah.
That's the hand, right?
It's a little sharp.
Yeah.
Whew. That joker is heavy. What do you think that weighs, Freddy?
I'd say, what do you think, 350, 400?
I don't know.
I don't know.
It was damn heavy. We got it though. We're gonna have this thing together in absolutely no time.
That'll like bruise the hands, man. That thing is crazy. Hey, it's high quality, right?
It does appear to be pretty high quality.
Yeah. It's.
Let's see what's in this box, Freddy. What's in that box?
Wow, this thing's sharp. Okay.
It's brand new. Ashley just got it for me.
It's really nice.
What is it, Freddy?
All right, let's see what we got. This is exciting. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh, cool.
A little grip tape.
Yeah, a little grip tape. Nice. Reminds me of my skateboarding days.
Great job.
Thanks.
Next. Just bust it open, Freddy. All right, what do we got here? We got one of them?
Oh, you need one of them. You gotta have those.
Yeah.
It doesn't work.
You gotta have 4 of them.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's all there. One more unboxing with the Benchmade.
There we go. A bunch of these. So now the question is, Freddy, do we read directions?
Yeah.
Or do we look at pictures?
Oh, pictures if we got them.
No directions, just pictures.
Yeah, pretty much.
That is the age-old question. Do y'all read the directions, or do you just look at the picture and try to figure it out? I have to admit it, I tend to just throw the directions in the trash. This is the picture that we got to work with. I think we got this, Freddy. You got holes in the side, right there, and there. That's gotta be for these rods I just unpacked. And they go through on these extensions to make it wider so you can get 4-wheelers and ATVs up there.
Nice.
What else can I see here? Those orange pieces are for the tire. I'm sure we can figure out how those go together. That jack is to lift the motorcycle. The orange things to access the oil. And then those 3 are all the ramps to get up. Psh, we got this. Pictures, No directions. So Freddy is actually doing the intelligent thing and using the directions. And look how far he's coming along. I've got 4 bolts done using nothing but pictures.
Hey, it works.
Sort of. We'll hope it works. I have no idea because I didn't follow the directions. So this marks the first real tip I can give you if you buy this kit. It doesn't come with the male air hose fitting. So I had to steal one off of another line in order to get this thing in the air today. Okay, so the moment of truth, guys. Plug it into my air. Oh, okay. Look at that. Oh, it's a Brock.
That's got a mind of its own.
Definitely goes up and down, Freddy.
Yeah.
Switch is a little janky.
It looks like it's happy now, I think. Is it happy?
That's max. I don't know if it's happy. I need some sort of a safety on this thing, Freddy. There's gotta be something that locks in here.
Yeah. Ah, there it is.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're figuring it out. Don't even need no directions, just sniffing around under there. And now I should be able to let it down. It should put the pressure right on that thing. Put the wheel chocks on and we might be in business to get a motorcycle. The old grip tape for getting up onto the lift so you're not sliding all over the place. Got it. Now to get it straight. No!
Back.
I'm gonna have to go this way. Like they always say, fold it in half, right? I feel like I'm gonna mess it up, Freddy. You think that's the middle?
Yeah, you got it.
You think so?
Yeah.
Straight or crooked is what we're gonna get. Now that I've rubbed the top 5 layers of skin off my hands.
Now 7.
Should I get it straight? Maybe I put it on a little low. Well, no, those are longer. I think it looks great. So let's look at a lift, man. We got an extra long extension. In case we get any long stretched out choppers here, this is something we had to put in after because we put the whole thing together without even realizing that we needed to do it. So, but directions wouldn't have helped because that wasn't even in the directions.
No, it wasn't.
To put this in.
No.
So.
If anybody wants to know, it's 104 inches.
104 inches from front to back. It's got the oil access, the ramp pads, your lock. All in all, on a scale of 1 to 10, Freddy, 10 being the most difficult, 1 being the easiest.
Oh, for install, putting it together?
For build, yes.
Oh, I would say 1.5 maybe?
1.5.
Yeah.
It was super simple to put together. It had all the parts with it. It was 90% already assembled. That was pretty simple. And it looks to be a pretty stout lift, huh?
Very.
We need to get a bike on it today. Should we go get Trigger?
Yeah, let's go get Trigger.
Trigger is Freddy's bike.
She's been down for a while.
She's been down.
Yeah.
We'll put her on the lift. Get her back up.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. No bike shop is complete without a lift. So although we need a lot of other things in here yet, we've got Harley Davidson t-shirts, a blue ton of them. We've got a motorcycle lift and a couple motorcycles and a couch. We still need a refrigerator. We still need, I think we need a kegerator, Freddy.
Oh, yes.
Shop wouldn't be complete without a kegerator.
And one of those coffee ones too. Don't they make like a keg for coffee? Like a cold.
Oh, like a cold brew. We need cold brew. Yeah, we need to come up with that. Toolboxes, although I will say, I do enjoy working out these little toolkits.
It makes it so much easier.
It does make it easier. You know if you're missing something or not.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, it really is great. Yeah. I think it's even better than a toolbox. I end up digging through all my drawers and my drawers end up overflowing. Storm is coming. Let's see. Oh yeah, because I don't have my concrete in yet. Yeah. I need a concrete driveway. But yeah, the storm is coming in.
Man.
You want to see the outside of the shop? We went with like a tan and a brown. A couple windows by the door over there. That is the shop.
It is.
We're gonna do some rad motorcycle stuff in that shop, Freddy.
Yes.
My private shop.
Yes.
We got other shops at the campground. Tractors and wood and milling. This is my personal it's my man cave, Freddy.
This is huge.
Never thought I'd have a man cave. Don't even like the
I think it's a cavern.
term. Oh, it's a man cavern?
Yeah, we're gonna new term it.
Feeling blessed, man. For all of you who have supported me out there over the years, watched me come from being homeless, sleeping next to my bike, to having my own motorcycle shop with now an actual motorcycle lift. I feel like I'm living the dream. A lot of people say online I'm living the dream, and I truly feel it. I feel blessed, absolutely honored to have all y'all's support. Oh, we didn't put this together though, Freddy.
Oh yeah, scissor jacks, we gotta do that.
That's gotta go on there.
Yeah. All right, we're not done yet.
Okay, so you set it there. It just sits there, I think, in the middle.
Yeah, I think it's assembled, doesn't it?
And there it is.
And we're done.
Good job, Freddy.
Thanks.
All assembled.
Okay, I'm going from a 1.5 to a 1 assembly.
I think it works for four-wheelers, ATVs. You got your 2 different extension heights in case you need to go higher.
And I think if you put it like this, and And then like this, now you can get it on your dyna frame without hurting.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Without hurting your stuff, yeah. Right on.
Trigger in the house. So y'all, this is Freddy's bike Trigger. It's a 2014 Street Bob, and she's beautiful. What do they call that color?
Oh my goodness, I think it's charcoal gray, something like that.
It's beautiful, Freddy.
Thank you.
Yeah. This is his your therapy. Is that what you'd say, Freddy?
I would say so, yes.
So Freddy, you served with our army.
That's right.
You're airborne.
Airborne.
He's badass. I mean, Freddy is an absolute badass. In case any of you didn't know, he's got my seal of badass. Not that that means anything, because the things he's done for our country is amazing. Freddy, you were in the army. Where were you stationed?
Stationed at a place called, well, first in Germany, and then in a place called Camp Keating in Afghanistan.
And if you all don't know about Camp Keating, what's the name of that movie?
Made a movie called The Outpost. I was there for 16 months, about 16 months total.
If you guys watch this movie, go check it out. It's that's an American hero right there, man. That's all I'm gonna say about that. So this is Freddy's bike Trigger. It's gonna be the first bike to go on our new lift there, Freddy. What do you think?
Yes, absolutely. And it's even got I call them the Dyna bars, so you don't mess up, for those of you who have Dynas, so you don't mess up all that stuff under there. It goes on the bars. I forget what hits if you don't have this.
Well, let's put it up there and take a look.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if the guy can put this up by himself on this ramp. Is it too steep? Oh, God, rubber run, I got this.
I think you gotta like Flintstone pedal it.
That was serious, man.
That was serious ramp right there.
All right, one more time, here we go.
If it falls over, it's not the first time.
Stubborn. Stop. Come on.
You got it.
All right, so I get a Dyna up here. Do not try with a f***ing baby.
Yeah.
The maid of orange. All right.
Yeah.
I think it's perfect.
Yeah, I can get my workout today.
It's got it, Freddy. The lift has got it. We should probably put some straps to it.
Yeah. I know, like.
She's beautiful, Freddy.
Trigger looks good on that lift.
Yeah, well, I'm honored to have your Trigger on my lift as the first one.
I am the one that is honored.
So give me a Trigger story. Tell me something about Trigger.
See this little mark right here?
Yeah, okay, we got it.
Okay. My saddlebags failed, so I ordered this sissy bar from, I think it was like Lowbrow Customs or something like that. And my girlfriend at the time texted me a picture that wasn't so PG, and I wasn't expecting it, and I opened it and I dropped this on the ground and chipped it. And so Gabe's sister came out with some hot red nail polish and filled it in honor of the accident. There's your Trigger story for today.
Well, I love it, Freddy. I absolutely love it.
Got a lot of miles on her. I don't even know the battery's dead right now, but we packed them on. One year we put like over 30 on it, I think.
We have done some riding.
Yeah, and then broke it on, it was really cool. We did bring it home, and I came through the arches where the little ticket went off, and then went out on the highway to go back to here from Texas. And I noticed oil all over my leg and broke a fork seal right outside. So she did all those miles, got through, bring it home, and then finally decided to have a little problem, not a huge problem.
She's a good motorcycle, no doubt. I absolutely love Trigger. Freddie and I have done some miles with her. If you guys want to check out some of those videos, I will link a couple videos of Freddie and I riding across country, him on his girl Trigger, that is now on my lift in my new shop. What a wonderful day. A glorious moment, Freddie.
Yeah, it really is.
May seem trivial to y'all, but it's super exciting for us. Listen, you know, this is a dream to me, and you know, dreams do come true, which is why I've closed so many videos with this very statement, and that is dream until your dreams come true.